Good morning everyone. Welcome back to the class of EVS. Today we are going to discuss the textbook exercises for the chapter The Uses of Plants. Okay, in the previous class we learned many uses of plants. Yes, what are those children? Tell me. Yes, we use plants. Yes, for fruits and vegetables. Yes, plants give us fruits and vegetables, then oxygen, then wood, then plants as medicines, then oil, then spices, then flowers also, then cereals, pulses, isn't it? Yes, and also paper, then wood. Yes, there are so many uses of plants we already discussed in the previous class. Okay, today we are going to discuss the textbook exercises for this chapter. So all of you take out your textbook, then open page number 137. All of you open page number 137. Yes, exercises. First one, fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. We eat the roots of dash and dash. Yes, tell me children, what did you write the? Yes, you can write carrot and beetroot. You can write carrot and beetroot children, and also radish, turnip. Okay, you can write two of them. Then we eat the stems of dash and dash. Yes, stems of ginger and potato. You can write the ginger and potato, then onion, then sugarcane. Okay, you can write two of them. Then third one, we eat the leaves of dash and dash. Yes, cabbage and spinach. You can write cabbage and spinach. Then we eat the seeds of dash and dash. Yes, you can write gram and pea. Okay. Yes. Have you all finished writing children? Put on date children. Don't forget. Then question number B. Write T for the true statements and F for the false statement. Okay. You can write T for the correct one and F for the incorrect one. First one. We eat the roots of cucumber plants. We eat the roots of cucumber plants. Yes, is it true or false children? Very good, it is false. So all of you write down F. Second one, we eat the grains of wheat plants. We eat the grains of wheat plant. Yes, that is true. All of you write down T. Then third one, we get oil from jute plants. Yes, that is false. We get fiber from jute plants. So all of you put F. Then fourth one, we get paper from bamboo. Yes, that is true. All of you write down T. Then fifth one, we get fiber from the neem tree. Yes, that is false. So all of you write down F. Then next, answer the following questions. Here we can see some questions. Okay, I will ask the questions. First one, mention any two uses of plants. In this chapter we learned many uses of plants. So you have to say any two uses of plants. Yes, plants as medicines. Then plants as oil. We get oil from the plant and also fruits and vegetables. Okay. Then second question, name two seeds that are used to make oil. Yes, coconut and mustard. You can write coconut and mustard are used to make oils. Okay. Then third question, name the plant from which we get gum. Yes, we discussed in the last class. Yes, we get gum from acacia tree. Yes, acacia tree. Then fourth question, what is the use of cotton plants? Yes, very good. We get fiber from cotton plants. Very good, children. Then next one, life skill. Okay. Wasting papers means cutting down more trees to make paper. What can you do to avoid wastage of paper, children? Yes, we should use less paper. Okay. Use less paper. We should use less paper. Okay. Then turn your page, children. Yes, page number 138. Oats. Okay. Can you identify the plants from these clues? Here we can see 5 clues. Okay, you have to identify the plant. First one, let me read. The young branches are used as chewing sticks to clean the teeth. Yes. Do you know, children, the answer? Any idea? That is neem plant. Okay, neem tree. Okay, all of you write down the neem. Okay, neem tree are used as shaving sticks to make clean the teeth. Okay. Then second one. The leaves are used in tea to relieve cough and cold. Yes. We know that. Tulsi. Okay. All of you write down Tulsi. Tulsi is good for relieving cough and cold. Then third one. The flavor of these leaves is used in mouth fresheners. Yes, mint. The answer is mint. Mint is used in mouth fresheners. Okay. Then fourth one. A popular saying goes, as cool as a cucumber. As cool as a cucumber. Okay. Then fifth one. The favorite food of rabbits, yes, is carrot. The favorite food of rabbit is carrot. All of you write down. Then activity. Name the plants that give us the things shown in the picture below. Okay. You have to name the plants that give us the things. Here we can see 6 pictures, 6 things shown in the picture below. Okay. First look at the first picture. That is a frog. Yes, a cloth. That is cotton, from the cotton plant. Yes, cotton plant. Then next one. Yes, a book. That is bamboo. Yes, paper is made from bamboo. Yes, so all of you write down bamboo. Then look at the next picture. That is eraser. Yes, that is rubber tree. Okay, rubber tree. All of you write down rubber. The next one, a table. Yes, teak or walnut. Table is made of teak or walnut. All of you write down. Then next one, oils. Okay, that is mustard. All of you write down mustard. Then next, medicines. That is neem or tulsi. All of you write down neem or tulsi. Then plant survey. Here we can see plant survey. Let me read. On a sunny day, stand under a tree. How do you feel? Yes, we feel cool. All of you write down the cool. Then second one. Observe the branches for some time. Can you see a nest? Yes, it's up to you. You have to write your answer. Then third one. Fill in the blanks. Trees give us, yes, all of you write down the shade. Okay, shade. S-H-A-D-E, shade. Then many dash lives in their branches. Many birds lives in their branches. Then C. Birds make their dash in the trees. Birds make their nest in the trees. Have you all finished writing, children? Now we discuss all the textbook exercises. Okay. Your homework is to finish page number 137 and 138 in your textbook. And also write all the exercises into your notebook. Then I will give you some keywords. Okay. All of you note down. First one, grains. Grains, grains. Second one, oil, OIL, oil. Then third one, medicines, MEDICINES. The next one, perfumes, PERFUMES, perfumes. The next one, fiber, FIBRE, fiber. The next one, rubber, RUBBER. The last one, bamboo, BAMBOO. Okay, these are your keywords. You have to write each word 10 times. Okay, you have to write each word 10 times in the notebook, and also draw the pictures of your favorite fruit and your favorite vegetable in the notebook. Okay, you have to finish all the textbook and notebook exercises for this chapter. Okay, thank you children. Let's meet in the next class.